Oh, way they go. Play the music from the outside is Tobacco. Furiously eager racing on the outside. The good sprite, yes ma'am, is running by the row. Tobacco played the music, furiously eager, is raking third, running forward by about 3 lengths. Yes ma'am, alongside the good sprite Durango. Entry number 2, Salvatore, risk taker. Paris Melody, and entry number 1, Red Hot Water, is running at the tail of the field. Tobacco by about 2 lengths, followed now by Furiously Eager on the outside. Play the music, yes ma'am, remains import by some 2 lengths. Durango down on the inside, and Dugus Sprite risk taker as they race the last corner. Tobacco by about 3 lengths. Furiously Eager in second. Durango is running by the risk taker and nearing the finish line. Tobacco, Furiously Eager is on the outside. Moves up to grab the lead. It's now Furiously Eager, number 11. And finally, Furiously Eager. Tobacco, Dugus Sprite, number 10, risk taker, close, Durango. Yes, ma'am, for your Fentafect.
11, 8, 5, 10.